Hi everyone, my name is Madhya Rajput and this is my new YouTube channel. This is my first video of doing 5 minutes makeup tutorial. So for this video I'm gonna show you a very off-going and a very simple basic makeup routine that you can carry everywhere on your office routines, on your college days, and not more than that, but it can be grabbed or grabbed from a very scratch. So yeah, let's get started. For moisturizing, this is the first step that I have done is wash my face. It should be very clear so that you can put on your base, you can put on your products and they stick. Okay, you don't need to start with a bad face or dirty face. So wash your face first, and then I'm gonna apply this Nivea body milk. This only suits to my face, nothing cream, no other cream suits to my face. So I have taken a pump and just I'm gonna apply so that it creates a barrier between my skin and any other base that I'm gonna use. So this should be I have a very dry skin, so you need to take the products according to your skin type. Is that clear? Yeah. So massage it well so it goes in your pores, it goes, you should be taking to your neck as well, because we are going to take our product to the neck as well, right? And then we have, this is the first and the very late coming thing in my life, is the Neutrogena's dry touch sunblock. This is sunscreen and it's 50 plus SPF, so it's very good and it protects your skin with the UV rays that harms your skin, right? Just take a little bit, it is very much enough. This much is very much enough, and then you can take a pump and so for sunscreen, it protects the skin with the harm UV rays, and it is a layer, okay, between your skin and your makeup. It's better you use because we have to move out of the house every day, and this is one of the essentials that I carry everywhere. Whenever I want to go, I have to go anywhere or not go, I apply it in the house also, right? So after the sunscreen, this is our basic skincare, right? But skincare also includes a lip balm. So for lip balm, I'm using this Maybelline's Baby Lips, and it's very nice. It stays longer. It's yeah, when till then we do our makeup, it would settle in, okay? So that a lip balm or lip tint or lipstick, anything you use would not go to your lips directly, and that chemical or that portion is going to affect your lips. Clear? Yeah. So this is a very 5 minutes routine. So what am I going to do is, I'm not going to do a very heavy foundation or something else. I'll just conceal my under eyes, my lip area, and anywhere if you have dark spots. I don't have any of them. If you have, you can use that also. I'm not going to use a concealer or something. I'm just going to use the thing which I have. I have this Maybelline's Fit Me 128 Warm Nude in matte poreless, and it is normal to oily skin, but it suits me, okay? So just take a little bit. You just want to conceal your under eyes, right? You just want to conceal that. So what you're going to do, just put it, place your product and just blend. Clear? Just blend it well so that it doesn't make a very cakey layer. You can use a brush as well. It is a very 5 minutes routine which a new beginner can also do. I'm also a beginner, but it is very much important to use your fingers. Your fingers warmth helps the product go inside, settle well and blend well, right? I'm just going to use a little bit of this and to create a even layer on my face, right? You can use even on your full face. I just don't use on my full face. I would just do my under eyes, conceal my under eyes, just do my mouth area and neck as well. Neck also is a part of your face, so be like a very careful person while you choosing your products, and please put on your neck as well, right? I'm done with my, I don't need much because I don't care about my dark circles or what. It's just creating an even layer on your face, right? And then I would just do my mascara and be right back. So if you can see, my mascara is on, and if you want you can put some eyeliner as well. Eyeliner is like you can do it on your ethnic wears, on a very bridal makeup or something very heavy if you are doing, right? But I don't use it on a very frequent basis. I'm just going to use my kajal pencil and just do my waterline, above waterline and below one. So my kajal is on, and if you want, if you don't need to, for your information, I have used this Maybelline New York's the Colossal, the waterproof one, the blue one. If you can see, right, I have used this one. You can use any of the, if you don't want to use a waterproof one, you can just check out on this variant has a water base as well, right? It can be removed easily. So we are done with our 80% of the things. Now I have I don't like using a lot of contours or thing on a regular basis. You can use it on a ethnic wear, or like you are doing when you are doing a very heavy look, right? So, and I don't use even a blush as well, okay? When you are in a hurry, you do this makeup, right? So you don't need much of products. I just use 3-4 products, and the lipstick that you have in your collection, you can use it on your blush, you can use it as a eyeshadow, use it as a tint, as a lipstick, right? You are good to go. You don't need 3 products differently, right? So for this I am gonna use my Nykaa. This is in the shade Rukmini 22 Rukmini. This is a 5 ml bottle. This is not that I purchased recently. This is a very old bottle, but it's not expired, okay? So I don't use it as a lipstick directly. I use it as tint. It is a liquid lipstick, so it is very blendable. You can just put 2-3 drops and just blend it well, okay? Blend it well. It should not be like a cakey or something has been sticked on, right? So as I said, I just use it as a base. So I use it as a blush. What I have done is just put on some on my cheeks. You can see, is this pink seen? This is my blush, okay? I like going with a heavy blush. It gives a effect of a very flushed skin. You can blend it well, okay? You have to blend it well, or it will be like you have a very much of it seems like it's just we have worn a mask, okay? So yeah, so if you can see, I have done this pink lipstick as in blush. I have used it. You can use some amount on your nose as well, okay? As we have seen, some have very red nose. You can use the leftovers on your forehead, okay? You don't want that your cheeks look like a plum and your head looks like you don't have anything, right? So you need to balance it out, and it's very important. And just blend it like you are massaging your moisturizer, right? So I am done with my blush and all. Now I would so I have just, if you can see, I am done with my base products. This I am left with if you can use a lip tint, or you can just glide on your lip pencil, whatever you want, as suitable to you, as suitable to your program, right? So I mentioned in the first time that you have put on your lip balm, okay? This was the reason why I did this. It is, the first thing is that it nourishes your lips, but second thing is that I use lip pencils, lip liner pencils, okay? This gives a nice shape to your lips, okay? You need this. And lip liners are like dry processed, okay, like dry product, so you need something to glide on, okay? This gives you a nice base to glide on. So I'll just use my lip pencil. It is a very neutral shade, if you can see, very neutral. It goes with any of your lipsticks. So yeah, I have filled my lips whole with this. Okay, this is gonna stick to my lips and it will stick my lipstick also. Okay, I have not done like lining. I have all filled my lips. Okay, so it's your choice. If you want, you can just stick to like this. Is it looking nice? Okay, you can just stick to this, but I need to use my lipstick. So what would I do? I have my lips on, right? My lip liner on. So I would just dab my very neutral shade. This is by Maybelline 636 Lively Violet. Okay, this is the bullet lipstick. You can use even your liquid lipsticks. You can use any of the liquid lipsticks or any of your crayons, as per your choice. I am just going to use my bullet lipsticks in the Lively Violet and just dab it around so that I balance it all. It doesn't look all nude. Okay, I have to balance it with my cheek color and my lip color. Okay, yeah. See, as you can see, it has given a nice shade to my lips, right? It looks more plumper and it looks like you have done many efforts on your lips. It's all magic of your lip liner. Okay, it's very important to line your lips. It gives a very different look to your lips. And you must be thinking that I haven't done my brows, and I don't do my brows. I don't get my brows done. I just use a spoolie and just shape, because I think my eyebrows are very thick and they need a more growth so that I can have thick brows in future, right? I don't do my brows actually. I just comb them with a spoolie, and I would just do it right now also. In real life also I don't do. So yeah, it doesn't suits me, or I haven't done till now. So yeah, this was a 5 minutes makeup routine. You can just carry this look to your office, to your college, and by making it a red lip, a heavy eyeshadow, heavy mascara and all, you can create an ethnic look, and can be a party look, can be any look you want. Just changing your lip colors, changing your face colors, right? Your base should be right, your moisturizer should be right, so that when you remove your makeup, you don't find a very dark, a very dried skin, because these products harm your skin, right? This is why we use 2-3 things underneath your concealer or foundations, right? So if you want to have a very much ethnic glam look, or a very heavy look with red lip, some smoky eyes, or like that, please let me know in the comment section below. And this was my small efforts doing for you all, and just tell me if you want this. Okay, don't forget to like the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video, and thanks for watching.